Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how can you claim the Layer0 airdrop for free. Yes, the Layer0 airdrop is live on their websites. So I am telling you how can you claim the Layer0 airdrop for free. So first of all, know about the Layer0. What is Layer0? Layer0 is a omni-chain interportability protocol designed for lightweight message passing across the chains. That's mean you can lightweight message pass through the cross chain just like Ethereum to BNB and BNB to Bitcoin chain. That's mean this is a multi-layers blockchain. Layer 0 provide authentic and guaranteed message delivery by configuration truthlessness. That means this is guaranteed and authenticated by blockchain technology, and the message delivery system is configurable and you can get the result from their message delivery systems. Layer0 does not have a own token, but they have raised a total of $1.73 million for funding from the investor like AMDA Research and Anderson Horowitz. So it's very likely to they will launch their own token in the future. Users who have DFs built on the Layer0, they might get the airdrop if they launch their own token. So now talk about how can you claim the Layer0 token for free. First of all, step by step, we are going to see one by one. Visit the Layer0 X drop. The First of all, you have to visit the Layer0 X airdrop bridge. So the link given on this website, I am giving the link on the description, so you can directly visit on the website and then go to the Layer0 X airdrop bridge. Connect your wallet. You have to be wallet to connect, just like a MetaMask wallet or any other wallet that can be you are using, who is supporting the Ethereum blockchain. So now bridge data from the DFs up top, so you have to bridge the asset and then make any transaction, just like you have to be transact like Starnet bridge, Aptos, Pancakes, Bricks, Edge, or anything liquidity bridge and Matrix bridges. There are multiple bridges in multiple blockchains, so you can use any of them and transact any other things. So you just have to be verify or just like a testnet to mainnet. So you have to be complete a transaction on the mainnet and then you are eligible for the airdrop. So there is a guaranteed airdrop not, so there is no guarantee you will get a airdrop because only the speculations. We are not knowing that they are launching their own token or not, but if they launch, there will be a chances you will be the airdrop eligible for claiming. So don't forget to verify your Bitcoin passcode, where which can prove the humanity and prevent bot activity. That means you have to be Bitcoin passport, so you have to be prove the humanity and prevent it. You can also complete it by completed their reCAPTCHA or any other thing that can be proof of humanity and you are not a bot. So this is the whole, and here's the given the claim now website. So claim now websites, you can click on this button and then directly you will go on the websites to participate in the Layer0 protocol drop. So what is the price pool? Price pool is a $168 approximate. That's not the exact $168 you are getting. It's a approximate value that can be you are going to be win for upcoming Layer0 airdrops. Winners is any, that's mean the uh, how much number of people's completed their events and transact their mainnet and testnet. So they will be also a winner. So there is no certain number of winners. There is everyone winners who can completed the task. Deadline is January because they are not announced the deadline yet. So this is the airdrop Layer0 Pro. You can claim their website by claiming now or visit website. So I am sharing this website link on the description. You can check it out. The Layer0 drop, how can you claim, and this is for all today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we are giving you the best airdrops information today and every day. This is the website tpf0.com. This is a hidden website. Here you can just visit and you can daily update, see the updated airdrop that are upcoming, and they are most likely famous airdrop that can be people are claiming again and again and again. So you can also check it out the tpf0.com website, so you can stay updated about the airdrops. Don't forget to, you can also subscribe to our channel so you can get updated about the airdrop. So this is the video, and if you like the video, hit that the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for the next update. Have a good day. Bye bye.